Okay, so good morning, students, once again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Am I audible? Actually, the network is not that good. That's why I'm asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so who was supposed to sing today? It's me, I guess. No? It's me and Divyajit. Both of them are there. Snee haven't joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Divyajit also didn't join. Okay. Okay, then let's start our class then.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Is it you, Snee?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Just wait. I'll ask you to like start. Just wait. Can you please turn on your video if you don't mind? Yes, Snee.
Hello, ma'am.
Snee.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please turn on your video? Camera or else.
No.
It's okay. I'm not forcing you. It's okay if you want also, no problem. Are you ready?
Okay, ma'am.
I'll start.
Good morning, ma'am. Today I will sing a song. Million Dream.
Yes, you start.
I close my eyes and I can see the world that waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we lost our mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest color fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. The special things I compile, each one there to make you smile. On a rainy day, they can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we lost our mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. Run away to the world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest color fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be the part of it all. Share a dream with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along. To the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest color fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make. Thank you.
Very good. Yes, everyone, give a round of applause for Snee. Very good, Snee. Keep it up. What is the song and name, the title of the song?
A million dream, ma'am.
Million Dreams.
Mm,
Okay. Okay, it was really nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so let us start today's class. Can you all see the screen?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just wait. So do you remember human reproductive system? I thought of just revising again. I mean, even though it's not complete, but do you remember? Yes or no? Am I
No,
audible?
ma'am.
So what do you remember? Please tell me, what do you remember? Anyone? What, you forgot or what? Forgot.
What did you ask, ma'am?
Human reproductive system. And so far, what did you understand? Like, how I have explained.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Human reproductive system is an organ system by which humans reproduce live offsprings, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me the parts of the female reproductive system?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, let me ask someone. Gayatri. Gayatri Sharma, can you tell me? Gayatri Sharma, am I audible? Gayatri Sharma. What happened? Am I not audible? Okay, Manisha Kumari, can you tell me the answer? Manisha. Manisha Kumari.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the answer?
Ma'am, female reproductive system.
Yes, yes.
Female reproductive system is made up of internal and external sex organs.
What? Internal and external what?
Sex organs.
Sex organs. Means I'm just asking the name. Like what is found? From the
Ma'am, I can tell.
Okay. Okay, you say Costa.
Ovary, uterus, then ma'am, fallopian tube,
Yes.
then ma'am, vagina,
Yes.
cervix, and
Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, very good, Kaustav. I was just testing you whether you all remembered or not. So these are the organs that we will find in the female reproductive system. That is the vagina and womb, or else you can say uterus also, the fallopian tubes and ovaries. All right, let me just repeat again. So the first structure is vagina, this one. All right. So this vagina, it is a muscular canal. Muscular canal means what? It is made up of muscles. It is made up of muscles and canal. Canal means what? Through which something can pass. It's not it. Through which something can pass. So that's why it is known as canal. C-A-N-A-L. And the length of this vagina is how much? 7.5 centimeter long. All right, 7.5 centimeter long. And in this vagina, what happens? You can see nerves. You'll be able to see the nerves, and as well as what? Mucous membranes. Mucus means what? Like it's like slippery, slimy, you know, that mucus. So, and membrane you will find over here. All right, so that one you will find there. And this vagina, it connects the uterus and the cervix. This is the uterus and the cervix. So it connects this this part. Is it clear? This portion, vagina, the first part.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Later, please don't tell me that I forgot or I didn't know and all that. I don't want to hear. So I'm just repeating again and again. Unless and until you won't understand, you won't answer me, I'll keep on repeating. Okay, so the next structure is the uterus. This is the uterus. It is also known as womb, W-O-M-B, womb. And it is made up of what? It is made up of muscular organ, means they are made up of muscles. And this uterus, what is the shape of this uterus? The shape of the uterus is just like a pear, P-E-A-R, pear. Okay, so this pear, in Hindi, we call it nashpati. So if you will place the pear upside down, so the shape is somewhat similar to this, which is the uterus, or else you can say womb. And this uterus, the lining, the lining of this uterus is called endometrium. All right, endometrium, this lining. Inside the uterus, it is known as endometrium. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, uterus is also known as what? Let me ask Paramita.
Womb, ma'am.
Womb, okay. There is a lining inside the uterus. It's not it. So what is that called?
Endometrium.
Okay, very good. Endometrium. Okay, next, Hyoda. Can you hear me, Hyoda?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the shape of the uterus?
Shape of the
Shape of what? Pardon?
what?
It looks like what? उसका shape कैसा है? ये uterus है ना जो womb है, उसका shape कैसा है? Shilin, can you tell me? Shilin? Shilin, am I audible?
Ma'am.
Can you tell me the shape? How does it look like, this uterus or else womb?
It looks like a hollow pear shape.
Okay, like upside down, no? If you will place upside down, it's not it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, moving on to the next, that is the fallopian tube, also known as the uterine. This one, fallopian tube, this one. All right, from both sides, it will extend, like here and here, left side, right side, both. Okay. These tubes, the fallopian tube, they will extend. I mean, they will extend from the what? From the womb. This is the uterus, no? Also known as the womb. So they will extend like this, like this. All right, they will extend this tube. They will extend on each side. on each side, that is the right side and the left side. And this fallopian tube, they are what? They both open near an ovary, means this is the ovary, we will come later in the next slide. So they open means like, yeah, they open in this manner, like they're attached, you can say they're attached with the ovary, this fallopian tube. And this tube, that is the fallopian tube, they carry the egg. All right, they carry the egg from the ovary to the womb, means you can say it's a transportation system, like transportation system of what? The fallopian tube. From where? From the ovary till the uterus, they will transport the egg. All right, means they will transfer this here, not the ovary, they will transfer and they will go towards this fallopian tube and it will enter inside this uterus or else womb, W-O-M-B, womb. Is it clear? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is not clear, I'll again. You can just say like whether you understood or not. Okay, if it is clear, then let me ask. Suraksha Adhikari. Suraksha Adhikari.
Yes, ma'am.
Suraksha, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This fallopian tube, they extend from where?
From ovary to from
From ovary, are you sure?
Yes.
I don't think so. They extend from the uterus, which is the womb. All right, Suraksha? Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, be clear. Oh, so the answer is that. Okay, next question goes to CT. CT Date Burma. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible, CT?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, CT, can you tell me from the ovary to the uterus, who transfer egg, E-double-G egg? Can you tell me the name? Did you understand what I asked?
No, ma'am.
No, okay, let me repeat. From the ovary, this is the ovary, right? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, so this, can you see the screen, CT?
Yes, ma'am.
So you see the screen, I mean, you see the screen and you listen to me carefully, then you will understand the question. Okay, let me repeat again. So from the ovary, all right, from the ovary till the uterus, this is the uterus, it's not it, or else you can say womb. Who transfer egg? Who helps in transferring the egg? Obviously, it won't just go and like jump over here. It's not it. So who is responsible for the egg like to go and transfer inside the uterus or else the womb? Who helps? Did you understand now my question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me the answer now then? Pardon?
Ma'am,
No, means, okay, let me repeat the question again. I was saying that from the ovary, all right, from the ovary till the uterus or else womb, who helps in transferring the egg, E-double-G egg? Something must be there, it's not it, so that they will transfer and they will enter inside the uterus. Obviously, it won't go and like just jump over here and like the egg will be placed there. It's not it. So something like must be there or should be there, so that it goes in this place.
ma'am, Fallopian tube.
Fallopian tube. Yes, you are correct. So the correct answer is the fallopian tube. All right. So this is the ovary and the egg. They go and transfer and like this they go and transfer. So the fallopian tube, they help. They help. Okay. Is it clear now, CT? Not only CT, others also. Are you all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Exam, no, the question might not be direct. It will be a bit like twisted type also. So you please read like all the lines very carefully. So yeah, the question will be a bit twisted type. It won't be direct question. So you please try to know everything, and please read all the like lines very carefully. Okay, moving on to the next, which is the ovary. This one. This is the ovary. All right. So two ovaries we have. So these ovaries, they look like what? They look like small almond shape. All right. They look like small almond. You know the almonds, badam or what? Huh? Do you all know almonds?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So they looks like that, and they are what? Glands. I said not glands. The glands makes what? I've already said this thing repeatedly. The glands they makes what?
Hormones, ma'am.
Yes, exactly, hormones. So they contain hormones, and they also contain ova here. Obviously, in the ovary, so they contain ova, OVA, ova. So what happens here in the ovary? Sex hormones. The sex hormones, that is like estrogen, progesterone, and all the hormones, the hormonal name that we will get, the hormones that we will find in the female reproductive system, like estrogen, progesterone. So they are made by the ovaries, all right? By these two ovaries. Is it clear? Is it clear? If it is not clear, I'll repeat again. Just answer me,
Yes.
yes or no? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then let me ask you. Bubbly. Bubbly, am I audible? Bubbly? See, you are wasting time. I guess the other students can hear me. Birgishri, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Birgishri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Can you tell me the shape of the ovary? How does it look like?
Small almond shape.
Okay, a small almond shape. Okay. So the what hormones are made there inside the ovary? What hormones? I mentioned one hormone, right? So what is
Sex
that?
hormone.
Sex hormones.
Sex
Okay.
hormone.
Yes, yes, very good. Okay, I hope everyone is clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so next is the menstrual cycle. So this is the menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle I will discuss in the next class. All right. And yesterday also I've discussed, but some students, everyone is not clear about it. So let me discuss with you about this in the next class. So for today, is everyone clear about today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Clear, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If I'll ask you, will you be able to answer on the spot without any preparation? I mean, if I'll ask you
Yes,
suddenly.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. What is the length of the vagina then? Wait, I'll ask someone.
7.5 centimeters.
Wait. I'll ask someone. Whom I'll ask? Twin Crowbiang, tell me the answer. Twin Crowbiang? Am I audible? Pohar De Parma, am I audible? What happened? Misha Modi?
Yes, ma'am.
Misha, can you tell me the answer?
Yes, ma'am. 7.5 centimeter long.
Can you please speak a bit louder?
7.5 centimeter long.
7.5 centimeter long. Is she correct? Others?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are correct. Good. Okay, so I will ask you all like this, like all of a sudden. And all this group discussion and all also, no? It's there in your internal marks itself. In your student portal, it's there. Means for us, we can give you. In your internal marks, it's included. So like based on all this, no, group discussion, it's like a kind of group discussion. It's not like I'm asking you all now. So like I'll ask all of a sudden, and if you are able to answer, then I will like based on that I will give you marks. If you are not able also, no problem, but the thing is you need to respond me. All right, so okay, then that's all for today's class. Thank you everyone. In the next class I'll be taking your attendance.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.